Welcome to the Intelli-Force Magnetix Quick Res Colourz polyaspartic coating installation video. Today we're going to demonstrate how to install the Quick Res Colourz polyaspartic magnetic flooring coating.
Installing Colourz polyaspartic is a fast and easy process. The installation requires a minimum of 2 people for the coating process, 1 to mix and 1 to spread. The tools you will need are shown here. There are no special tools required. Basically, a 10 mil squeegee, a brush and a roller, either a 9 or 18 inch depending on the job size. You will need a variable speed mixing drill and a paint mixing wand. You will need proper dust mask, eye protection, and gloves as PPE. The person spreading the coating will need spikes to be able to properly spread and back roll the coating as seen in the video. Floor prep requires a smooth, clean, dry surface with an RH level up to 98%. Start by measuring out the floor and snapping lines to mark an area of 90 to 100 square feet per unit depending on the porosity of the surface. Do not spread the product any further than this or it will affect the bond strength for the tile application. Your kit will include 1 can of liquid resin, the activator, and 1 pre-measured bag of metallic powder additive. Pre-mix the can of colored resin, slowly adding the activator using your mixing drill. Mix it thoroughly for about 2 minutes until the color is consistent throughout. Then slowly add the metallic Fessy powder while mixing with the mixing drill at a moderate speed. Once the powder has been added, mix for approximately 1 more minute until the powder is completely mixed in. The mixing person should be mixing the next unit while the spreader is spreading and back rolling the previous mix. This saves precious time. Pour a ribbon of the mixed product, emptying the entire unit of coating onto the floor. You will have about 8 minutes of working time, so move quickly. Cut in the edges using a brush. Then spread the coating using your squeegee, immediately followed by back rolling the coating with your roller in 2 opposing directions to ensure a smooth, consistent thickness and finish. Use the snap lines to gauge your spread rate. The coating will have a slight stippled finish. Roll out any lap marks from the roller. Change your roller cover every 3 to 4 mixes as it will start getting sticky and will affect the finished product. Things to watch for are any bits of debris from the floor, buzz from the roller cover, or any clumps of unmixed material. Remove these from the coatings as you go. The long tweezers works great for this. Let the floor dry approximately 60 to 90 minutes until it feels dry with no transfer of coating. Before installing the tiles, inspect your coating application. If you see any debris left in the floor, it can be removed by a putty knife or a 5-in-1. This is very important as debris will telegraph through your finished floor. You can touch up any bare spots or thin areas later. Cleanup is simple using soap and water or simple green. Dispose of the cans and leftover materials in accordance with local codes. Now you are ready to install your tile. Use your normal tile cutter or razor knife. The tile cuts very easily. It is no different than installing any other vinyl tile. When complete, roll the floor in 2 directions to ensure contact of the tile to the coating. You can always refer to our detailed installation guide on our website for more details. Thanks for joining us today.